Alright, what's up guys and good morning. Today is a beautiful day to go on a ride. As you can see, the sun's out. And check this out. I got the helmet mount finally on for my GoPro. So let's see the angles, let's see how it turns out. Let's go on a ride. She looks beautiful. Guys, what's up? So I'm gonna do a little review on the bike right now. We're at a beautiful spot, gorgeous spot right now. Look at this, so gorgeous. But yeah, I think this is a good place to do a review on the bike. So I'll give you a little rundown on this thing and how long I've had it for and what I think about it, what are the plans for it. So yeah guys, stay tuned for that. Alright guys, what is good? So let me tell you a little about my Ninja 636 Kawasaki. So basically I got this bike a little over a year ago, I'd say. Let me move the helmet so you can see better. I got this bike a little over a year ago, I'd say, and I've done a few little mods here and there to it, but let's run through that real quick. Starting off, the first mod that I think I did on this bike, what was that? Well, definitely I did an oil change when I first got it. I got this thing with 2,000 miles on it. Now I think she has, let's check. How many miles does she have on it now? Oh, 11,000. So I've got it with like 2,000 and I put 11,000 on it. So I've been putting some miles on it in the last year that I've had it. So the first mod that I did was the stainless steel brake lines, because the original lines were, I don't know if they're old and worn out, and the pads too, but the bike did not stop. Like, I'd be flying and then I'd grab the, flying and then grab the brake, and it would just be like the mushiest and most unresponsive brake lever. So basically I just did the stainless steel lines and put really nice race pads in there. I don't remember what kind, but they stop like on a dime now. I bleeded the whole brake system and I think I put a new master cylinder on it. Actually rebuilt the master cylinder on it. So that's what I did. It was a lot of work, but paid off, so now she stops. What else did I do? I put the tank grips on the bike. So that was another thing I did. And then I put this kind of carbon-y ZX6R tank grip. But these tank grips are Stomp grip tank grips, and they are really good. They hold you in with your suit when you have your legs right here. You're really tucked, like when you're tucked in, the things hold you. And when you're leaning, when you're holding onto your tank with your leg, when you're leaning over, it really helps. So recommend getting those. What's next for the bike, what I'm planning on doing with the bike is we're gonna get a Yoshi exhaust so she can scream even louder. What else did I do on this thing? Oh, I put the frame sliders on just in case. Hopefully we'll never need them. Maybe powder coat these black or get them in black. Maybe MotoGP shifting, definitely a quick shifter. But I'm not sure if I want MotoGP shifting, guys. Let me know in the comments. Let me know if I should get MotoGP shifting or keep old school shifting, because like I've talked to a lot of riders and they're like kind of mixed about if you should do it, if you should not. So let me know in the comments, guys. But maybe stainless steel lines in the back, even though I don't use the rear brake when I ride. Definitely gonna do a power commander on this. We're gonna tune it. We're gonna dyno tune it, get as much power as we can out of her. So we have some beautiful roads out here in California, guys, and thankful to be able to ride them and just escape from like reality when you're on this thing. And these roads doesn't feel real sometimes. Like what? Like you're on this bike, that's already insane enough, and then look at this beauty that's around you. You just gotta be safe, because that's the turn right there and it goes all the way down after. But it's fun, guys. Stay safe out there when you ride.
Nu te uitați că se frică, né? Nu te uitați că, oh, ca shit. Wow, look at that.
Look at the tires, bro. Look
Slicks?
at the front tires.
Homie's running slicks.
Hold on.
Look at that. Oh, they're just bald.
Look how big they are, dog.
Давай. Yeah. That's nice.
Мотоциклиста попроси фотку. И ты ключу.
Да.
Спасибо тебе большое.
Ай, ты какая.
Барышню возьми, не задавили. Спасибо тебе большое, брат.
Ну чё? What's up?
Not much, you guys.
We out here, guys, you know. We have all the Porsches and everything. Going with my buddies right now. So I'll check out this view too. Oh, look at that. But yeah, this thing, guys. Whoa, oh, look, it ran something over. It's like nothing. But yeah, look at this military vehicle. Oh, look at that. That's kind of sad. It's like a gear thing and everything. It's a Mercedes? Oh, let's see. Oh, wow, guys, it's a Mercedes. Check that out.
Oh my god, guys, this is one of the 10 Mercedes' camper Armageddon wins. You don't see this stuff around anywhere but on the Stunt Road LA.
Oh guys, you know, welcome to AntonX, and yeah, you don't see stuff like this anywhere else, you know? But yeah, it's a pretty sick vehicle, guys. Check this out.
You know what I'm talking about?
Awesome.
Yeah, I used to have that on one of my bikes. That thing was fun.
This thing is freaking survive anything.
After a while, these two fingers start getting tired.
Like we got
faster than yours?
it's a CBR 1000. Yeah, it's a 1000. Yeah, it's a 1000. Pretty clean. nice beer after a long ride.
Hey, buddy, there you are.
Thank you. Have a
Of
good
course,
day.
enjoy.
Take care.
Thank you.
One day we'll have one of those. There she is, right there. What happened? What's wrong with her?
Oh, okay, so I was on the freeway
Yeah?
and I'm on fourth gear and I like crank up, I get to like maybe 90
Yeah?
and all of a sudden I hear this like kind of a snap, like a kind of a pop, and then all these, I keep hearing pop, 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 pop.
It's like going ta 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 ta. The exhaust or what?
It's like, I don't know, it just sounds like a pop, 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 pop.
Like from where?
Like a crackle. I don't know if it's from the exhaust or
Like
whatever.
as you're driving, as you're putting
As I was
throttle?
riding. So then I like get off the freeway and I get it down to first gear, and then all of a sudden I'm like letting off the clutch and I'm giving it throttle and it won't go. Like it's empty. So I pull over and I'm like, I turn it off, I turn it back on, and it literally won't start. So now this is what it does. So I'm scared right now. So
Okay.
if I started it,
Put it in neutral.
so now it's in neutral, it'll run in neutral, right?
Okay. So the engine is not blown. Wait, let me hear that. Oh,
Yeah.
that's not good.
Yeah.
Start it, try to let it run. I want to hear it, the engine. Try to keep it alive with the gas, if what, just a little bit so I can hear it. What the hell? It's running now. So what happens if you put it in gear? You're good. There's something wrong with the idle. It's not holding idle.
Yeah.
But you could do it, you just have to keep it alive. You can get it home.
Yeah.
Like it's so honestly like hold it a tiny bit so it doesn't die.
Okay.
So that's super weird. What the hell? You have warranty on it, right?
Mhm.
Oh, you're good then. Don't even worry about it.
I know. I'm just like,
Back up and just like make sure it keeps it alive. You're like not that far.
do you want to like follow me?
Yeah, I can follow you just in case.
Okay.
Let's go.
This is such ass.
I know that's good thing I still was riding, you
Yeah,
know?
this is a brand new f***ing bike. Alright, let's see if it'll work.
Alright, let's get it. How long have you been here?
Huh?
How long have you been here?
Like an hour?
That sucks.
Yeah. F***ing sucks.
What the f***, Aprilia? Unreal. Got some footage though. Of the whole issue with the Aprilia. The vlog content, boy. You know it. Woo! Oh, okay. Keep her revved up. Just keep going, don't stop.
That's so weird, guys.